Is it true that you get more wet when running in the rain than if you walk?
So that's a fun question.
Yeah.
And I've thought about that my entire life. If you walk in the rain, the only part of you that's getting wet is the part that's falling directly on top of you. So your shoulders and the top of your head.
Hence the umbrella.
And so you get that area.
Right.
And you look at the raindrops per minute that's hitting that area and how fast you're walking across the street. You can calculate that and get a total number of raindrops that you hit if you go slowly. Now, if you run, rain is still going to hit you on your head and shoulders, but for not as long.
Right.
But now you have your entire surface area of the front of your body that's running into falling raindrops.
Right.